batang ito ay makakatapos ng pag-aaral nila, they will become professionals, business owners, leaders sa mga department na dadalhin mo sa kanila. And Lord God, one day, they will also extend help to other students who are na financially constrained, Lord God.
Yeah. Yeah. Shit out there, we like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. You with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life.
Hello, my name is Miko James Pipo.
Hello po, I am Glidel de
So, my
Guzman.
name is Joshua S. Gulia.
Hi, I'm Zairan Biroderos.
Ako po si Grace Orcales.
I am John Terence Angcontonil.
Ako po si Cyril Faith de Ballesteros.
Hi, my name is Lanea Abish. I'm Verdatero.
Hello po, I'm Minia Emma Irish Bulen. Message for Oyas family in King James's. Thank you for giving me opportunity for the second time to receive this scholarship.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng King James. Malaking tulong po ang scholar na binigyan niyo po para sa aking kapatid. Dahil lalo na po ngayon na wala na po kaming magulang na parang tutulong po sa amin. Muli po, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Malaking tulong po para sa amin na lalo na sa akin na solo parent. Thank you, Sir Juliet and Ma'am Jen.
But I've been around this town, up and down for some to play with. Yeah, I know I finally found you, girl. I feel like now you girl. You got me.